So I'm here at the Wyndham Bonnet Creek Hotel, which is on Disney property, and I'm going to be spending the day here with my brother and my stepsister, and then later tonight we're going to go over to Disney Springs and have dinner at the new Irish restaurant that's over there. So I'll show you around. Alright, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! Making class.
That's usually the case, baby.
Well, we live in Florida, so that means rain. It's currently rain. It's very pretty. I'm sitting under a tiki hut, but it's raining.
I noticed that my other phone already disconnected.
Like, yeah, I got it.
These are some cool chairs. This is a really pretty food court inside the Wyndham Bonnet Creek. And rainy, and this place is absolutely packed. Something very interesting in this parking garage. See that number 3? That means there are 3 parking spots in this aisle, and you know by the light above the spot. There's one down there, and there's one over there. That is ingenious.
1 miles and 1 hour, 16 minutes.
No, that's not too bad. That is Cirque du Soleil, which I believe is closing. So it's raining here on the way home. It's been raining on and off all day, actually. And we're on the way home to Tampa, and there's a bad accident up here. Is there a car there? Is that flipped? Oh yeah, there's a flipped over car. Oh my gosh, that doesn't look good at all. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I went to Disney on Saturday and I never finished up that video. So I'm going to combine the 2 videos. Right now I am about to go into this place for a Yelp event to have some ice cream. So I am at another elite Yelp event, and our manager Christina's dad is here, and it's his birthday, so in honor of that we're all wearing Yelp birthday hats. So we are here at the ice cream shop to try some ice cream, and I've got to pick my flight that I want on this piece of paper. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but I'll let you know. Games that you can play when you come and get ice cream. That's pretty cool. This is a mint ice cream with some chocolate flakes. This is our chocolate with Oreo cookies. So far this one's really good. This one is a velvety chocolate. I've not tasted it. It has Nutella in it. And this one is rum with toasted coconut, and you can definitely taste the rum with this. It's really good. Oh my gosh, I am so full. The ice cream was my dinner. So good. They had a rum one that was amazing. That one I showed you, and it was just really good. Well, on this note, I'm going to now go home and edit all the video that I took. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting that button below. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.